We are going to create a video using a program called Stupeflix, and it's very easy to access. Just go to Google to your URL window and type in Stupeflix, and it will come up. And you can go here and log in, and this will allow you to save videos. And you can log in with Google. And the first time you log in, you'll probably have to verify your account. So once you're at this window, you're ready to create a video. So make a video, and notice that there are a number of themes. So you can kind of scroll down and see what themes you like best. And what themes do is they basically help you with transitions and setting up how things are going to look. And once you do this, just make a video. And it's a very easy interface. So the first thing you're going to see is this big plus sign, and it's going to let you add photos, videos, and text. So if you select this, you can choose which one you want to do. I would start with maybe a title slide and just type in the small window, and I'm going to choose dogs. And once I do that, and notice that that little drop down is kind of your edit button. It's your settings button. It'll let you do whatever you need to that clip. So say you want to duplicate this clip, have it twice, you would just select duplicate, and now you have a copy of it. So I just got rid of that. Also, from that window, you can insert a custom transition, and that's something you can choose whether to do or not. Basically, a transition just lets you put something in as you go from one slide to the next, so that it kind of looks smooth. So we'll worry about that later. And to delete something, just click on the little area and you'll see that little window. So we're going to add a photo. And there are several different ways to add photos from social media, but when you're at school, it's going to be hard to access those. So if you have things stored on your device, great. And if you have access to a webcam, you can use that too. Most of us do not on Chromebooks because the cameras are blocked. So your best bet is to find a video or image in Google. And if you have found an image, you can insert the URL for that image here in this window. So just go to Google Images and find an image that you want to use. I'm going to find a dog image. Keep in mind that not all images are just free to use. They may not cost you anything, but they might be copyrighted. So just make sure you're listing your images in your sources. And here's an image I like, and I'm just going to, when I open this, I'll hit View Image, and this is the URL that I'll have. I'll drop that URL here, and once my picture comes up, I can choose just by selecting it, and it will automatically insert it. And I can put a caption on this by using that little drop down and text overlay. And I'm just going to type dogs come in all shapes and sizes. Next, I'm going to maybe add a video also. Same thing. I just would go here to use the URL. If I happen to have a link for a YouTube video or a video from another site, I can just insert it. And so if I were to go to YouTube, I would just search for my video. Only use YouTube if your teachers have given you permission. Once you find the video you want, copy the URL and paste it here. Notice this is a 6-minute video, and chances are you're not going to want to use 6 minutes for your video. You might want just a couple seconds. So you can go that little drop down, and there's a trim button, and you use the slide to trim your video. So slide it to where you want. You can go from both directions and apply. So now that 6-minute video is 42 seconds. So we're going to look at another feature, and that is to insert a map. And because I'm doing this video about dogs, I might want to insert something like maybe the Humane Society, how to access that. So I am typing in the Catawba County Humane Society. Once I hit done, look what happens. It shows me that on the map. So now I have inserted my captions, I've inserted images, I've also inserted video and a map, and I'm probably going to want some music. To keep me from getting in trouble from using copyrighted material, I can use Stupeflix library of music, or I can use something I already have on my computer. Remember, copyright. And here in their library, they have a number of songs that could be used in our projects. So I would just select the one I want from the genre that I want and add to timeline. So you see what's happened here. I have my audio overlay along with the rest of my slides. So let's preview this. And once I take a good look and I think that I like what I see, I'm ready to do the next step, which is to save. So I'll go here to produce and save. So this will open up and I will choose HD video. And now this takes a little bit of time, so I've kind of fast forwarded. So what you saw was very quick, but it may take you a minute or two for it to finally save. And at this point, you can choose how you plan to share your Stupeflix video. You can download it. You can share it to social media, but for a class project, you're going to want to choose mail. And do not mail it to your teacher, but it does give you a link. And that's the link that you can, in turn, post into Canvas or whatever LMS you're using. So now, your teacher would access that link, and this is what they would see. So you have completed your Stupeflix video and shared it with your teacher.